is expected to start jury selection to pick the 12 men and women who will decide on Jerry Sandusky's guilt or innocence. Well, this scandal, of course, had an incredible impact on this community in November, including there was rioting. Joe Paterno's firing, of course, was very emotional. It created a tremendous amount of anger. The heart of the prosecution is likely to be the young men who have testified before a grand jury that Jerry Sandusky had sexually abused them in different ways and in different degrees over many years, but that's what I believe it may come down to, is whether or not these accusers are viewed by the jurors as credible. Jerry Sandusky was actually arrested twice. The first time in November, that included allegations of 8 victims, and 2 of those young men have never been identified, or at least until very recently. At last account, they had not been identified by investigators. So that leaves 6 in that group, and then 2 more young men surfaced in a second grand jury presentment, which was issued in December. So you're really looking at a universe of 8. However, in recent court filings, there's been reference to a group described as victims 11 through 17. So hard to know whether or not those people exist and whether or not they're going to testify. That's one of the kind of mysteries that this trial is going to hopefully answer.